take it out of there then.
You can put that.
No, that can stay there.
Well,
It's not doing any harm, is it?
I was worried that it might fall off.
No, why would it fall off? So
No, I don't know.
I'm not going down the motorway.
Well, yeah, but it might fall off.
So where are you going to put it?
I'll just put it here.
Yeah, but I need to... Okay, fine.
Well, I'll just put it there because it might fall off. I was going to put it in the car before you noticed.
No, I'll take it up there.
Oh, there's all sorts of...
I
is
know.
that the roof?
Yeah, I know.
Oh!
Be careful walking past there because you don't want to knock into those panels.
Panels?
They're up against the freezer.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Right.
At least the seat's nice and supportive. These are really sagged before we change the diaphragm. Okay. Yeah, let's sort the tyres out. That is very flat. That was the one looking on the other side. That's not too bad. Now, where's the tyre inflator? Is it in here? Yes, it is.
Oh. I thought there'd be more churning into the...
Churning?
Well, it's
What, like the MG?
yeah.
No, these injection engines, well, it's not the first time.
If
First
you,
time with the Kia, it hasn't started for a year, so...
if you hadn't started the MG for a bit, there'd be much churning and...
On that side. Oh, the front one's looking.
Yeah, they're fine. They're not looking like the back one that look flat when you put weight on it. I mean, you wouldn't want to drive to... What does the Tasty Classic brand say? The South of
The
France.
south of France, yeah,
Yeah.
that's it.
But, I mean, it's fine. But that was a bit flat.
Oh, it was. I wouldn't have wanted to drive it on that. Right, let's try again.
Yes.
Oh, God.
Good luck.